The parents of preschool children at 47 different city-operated daycares should be prepared for possible closures, and others who have school-aged children might want to look at their March break plans as well. The city releasing its contingency plan based on the fact that we're just a couple of days away from a possible deadline for negotiations with the city's inside workers, 24,000 people that could be affected by a possible work stoppage.
It does, create some real service issues for people that were counting on facilities being open and for kids to attend.
The clock is ticking, and parents, along with everyone else in the city, are once again on notice. City-operated childcare centers and recreational programs are among the services that would be directly affected if an agreement can't be reached between Toronto's inside workers and City Hall. That means the closure and cancellations of programming like March break camps, pools, fitness centers, and some arenas. Toronto public health operations considered non-critical, like dine-safe inspections, for example, would be suspended, while critical operations, including infection disease monitoring and COVID-19 preparation, would not be affected. Management and non-contract employees would be redeployed where possible, including administrative services, permitting, and licensing.
While it's responsible to have these preparations in place, I do remain hopeful that we'll be able to reach an agreement, a settlement, before the no board ends.
QP Local 79 President Dave Mitchell released a statement this afternoon, reading, quote, "The best possible contingency plan is to negotiate a fair contract. That goal remains possible but becomes much more difficult when the city fails to put its attention where it needs to be."
That table exists for a reason, and it's really for the parties on both sides, representing the union, representing management, to not find ourselves negotiating in the press right now.
Last month, the city and its outside workers avoided a work stoppage after extending contract negotiations by a few days beyond the initial deadline. Now, emergency services like police, fire, and paramedics, as well as the TTC and TCHC, are all considered under different unions or essential services, so they would not be affected.